Hello. So today we have to repair this very old Toshiba satellite A300. So it has this problem. A few days ago my friend want to install Windows, and when begin to loading files it will restart by itself. And now after a few days I plug in power and I press the power button, and it starts only for half a second and makes some noise. You hear? This meaning something is in short circuit on main board, and to repair we have to take it apart, the main board, and see what's defective. And let's start. So let's see. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. This is for CPU. It's okay. Also for CPU. Okay, again. Also for CPU. Okay, again. Maybe is this no photon? Can be. I take out the CPU. If we have short circuit on the neck tokin. Let's see. Yeah, it's short circuit. You see? So we measure on the yeah, I'm sure this neck tokin it's busted. So let's take out and change. Nice. Now I have to find 4 cups and solder on the mainboard. 4 cups of 330 microfarads from scrap board, and I measure them with SRM meter. They have 0.03 resistance, which is perfect. And now we have to glue them. So on this cup line is plus in outside, so here and here we have plus and here we have minus. Yeah, it's cold. Yay! And we have light. Perfect. Yeah, it's heating up. So I'll put back all together and see if it's working. And we have light. Toshiba. Yes. So perfect. And it's all success. Yeah. I also installed Windows 7 and home basing, of course, because resources, hardware resources on the notebook, old notebook, is very limited. So we have CPU T3400 with 3 GB of RAM, and kind of that's it. It's all okay. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.